What's up, viewers? Welcome back to Master Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to draw gigawarumozaemon from Digimon Fusion. If you must know, gigawarumozaemon, he's like the top chef in the digital world. And at least he thought he was, until Angie entered this bake-off and kicked his butt. And truth be told, it's just Warumozaemon dressed up as a chef. But still, it's kind of, I still think it would be an awesome Digimon to be a custom. I still think it would be a great Digimon to be shown in real life. Okay, so, anyways, he has a Digifused form when he absorbed the other Monzaemon, transforming him into a version of him with a knife for a hand. Or at least a pizza cutter. Yeah, while we do this, well, there's his head. There's his... Make sure to draw these parts here. Alexa, play it again.
Sorry, there is nothing for me to repeat.
Sorry about that, folks. I've waited a long time to draw this character, but now I'm getting a chance to do it. Alexa, play my recently played songs.
Here are your recently played songs from Amazon Music.
The journey starts today. Never feeling lonely, headstrong, stepping headlong into the dire. Hold on, cause we're heading there on our own. Whatever happens in the end will forever be changed. Imitate us, but you won't intimidate us. We keep on looking for another way to break us, because we know if there's a will, there's a way back up. Win or lose, we can choose to be never the same. And we're already on our way. The journey starts today.
Okay, next up is his robe. Ribbon here.
My grip, will you be there to pick me up? If I gotta run, will you be coming with me up? Cause I got your back and you got mine, and there's nothing that can stop us now. If all else fails,
And done. There's the famous baker, gigawarumozaemon. Pretty impressive, don't you think, guys? So, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll let you go, and make sure to warm my regards to the chef. And that means him. Anyways, that's all the time I have for now. Till then, I'll see you guys again soon. Warm regards to the chef for faking up this picture. And I'll see you guys again really soon. Bye. Oops.